জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I poisoned the flowers. Arrest me.
Just a pinch of vermilion. You don't know how valuable a pinch of vermilion is. When my friend arrives, I'll hand this box to her and say, "Go, Nayan, go live your life to the fullest."
Right. See this? Really? Mom, did you see this? I can't stop laughing at seeing Rangana's activity, really. But you know, I'm really relieved today, Pratima. Really relieved. Today, for the first time, Deepu spoke for Nayan. And the one who is Nayan's strong strength stood by her. I'm sure, you know, that Deepu will get Nayan released. What do you think, Mom? Won't
I
he?
hope it happens.
You are relieved, Topo. Aren't you? So relieved. But who is responsible for Nayan's condition? Why does Deepu have to go to the police station to get Nayan released despite being unwell? Answer me. Tell me, who is responsible for this? Why are you silent? Answer me, Topo. You won't. All right, let me tell you. You are responsible for this. Only you. Why did you agree to Deepu's wedding with Jasmine? Tell me. Tell me why.
Mom?
Policeman! Policeman, he is lying. Trust me, he is lying. He did not poison the flowers, policeman. I beg of you. Please do not believe what he is saying.
You please believe me. I poisoned the flowers. Please believe me, please.
What are you doing, Ditto? Why are you doing this? Do you know what it means to confess to a crime to the police station? I'll be forced to arrest you.
Policeman, policeman, please don't arrest him. I thought someone else would trick him and get him arrested. But policeman, he's taking the blame on him in order to save me. Believe me, he cannot even think of killing anyone.
You don't really know me, Nayan. I can do anything. If you can put on a deadly drama and get himself injured to call off his wedding, then can't I murder someone? Please don't delay, Mr. Karmakar. Let Nayan go. Instead, arrest me, please. Make arrangements to record my confession and let her go, please. Please, Mr. Karmakar, please.
It means this girl was right, you see. It means she really saw that she was out of the cell and that man, her husband, was inside.
Yes, that's what I see. Does that mean this girl I can really see future?
Policeman, please don't listen to him, policeman. I confessed to the crime. I poisoned the flowers and tried to kill Miss Jasmine. Yes, I did.
No, I poisoned the flowers. She's lying. She's trying to save me as usual.
And this time he is lying to get me out of here, policeman. I beg of you. Please don't listen to him, policeman. Please listen to me, policeman. Please.
Why are you looking at her, Mr. Karmakar? You listen to me. I'm confessing to the crime that I poisoned the flowers. Why are you not giving importance to my words? Please arrest me. Please.
See, policeman, I will spend my whole life in this cell, policeman. I beg you, please don't believe in any of his words, policeman. Please
Mr.
don't believe
Karmakar,
him.
you please listen to me.
He's
I
lying,
poisoned the
policeman.
flowers.
Don't
I'm
listen
telling
to
you,
him.
Stop it, you two! What's this happening, Tripto? What kind of childish act is this? If you really want to rescue Nayan, why didn't you bring a lawyer with you? Why didn't you arrange her bail?
Mr. Karmakar, please. You please listen to me. I think you're making a mistake. I have committed the crime. Hence, I'm confessing to the crime right in front of you. Besides, who is she? Who is she to me that I will take the blame in order to save her? She is not at all important to me.
All right. I accept that you poisoned the flowers. When did you do that? And where, you tell me? There are evidence and witnesses against Nayan. The rest will be decided in the court, but you? What do you have?
Mr. Karmakar, the criminal is confessing to his crime. What can be a bigger proof than this? Mr. Karmakar, please handcuff me, please. See, I'm guilty. Mr. Karmakar, I don't want an innocent person to get punished because of me.
একা মোর গানের তরে ভাসিয়েছিলাম নয়ন জলে সহসা কেলে গো এ তোরে বাইবে বলে ভাসিয়েছিলাম নয়ন জলে ভাসিয়েছিলাম নয়ন জলে
Everything depends on you, Topo. Nayan told us repeatedly that Jasmine was not a nice girl. She was not good. Did Nayan say that Kalpana didn't like that girl? Even I told you that. But you didn't listen.
Huh?
You got carried away by a pretty face. You thought she was very cultured because she wanted to perform a ritual. Do you know what is worse than this? You disbelieved Nayan. You call it a mistake or injustice. You are responsible for it.
Grandma, leave it. What is done, Grandma. Why are you still mad? Besides, father didn't harm my friend or Dripto intentionally. Please keep quiet now, please.
No, I won't. Nayan is in jail because of him. Tripto had to rush to the police station to get Nayan released in this condition just because of him. If he had spoken at the right time, such a disaster wouldn't have happened. He always stays quiet man takes wrong decisions. Today, because of his wrong decision, two innocent people are suffering like this. He will be criticized. He will have to receive criticism.
Brother,
Nayan is in jail because of him. Tripto had to rush to the police station to get Nayan released in this condition because of him. Today, because of his wrong decision, two innocent people are suffering like this.
brother. Mother, what happened, brother? Mother, I think he's feeling sick. Brother,
Is this some kind of a joke? You are saying that you poisoned the flowers. The very next moment she is saying that she did it. What's happening this Tripto? Don't do this, Tripto. Why don't you understand that if you keep me forcing like this, I will have to accept your confession? Why don't you understand?
I'll make arrangements to record his confession, sir.
No, he won't make any confession. He won't confess anything.
Mr. Karmakar, I'll make my confession right now.
Okay, fine. Wait a minute, Tripto. Just wait, please. Let me make arrangements for recording your confession. Then you can say whatever you want.
Policeman, please don't go. Policeman, listen to me. Policeman, please don't go, please. Policeman, why did you do it, policeman? Don't believe what he says. I beg of you, policeman. I beg of you.
Nayan. Nayan, keep quiet. Calm down and just listen to me now, all right? Look, don't protest. Whatever I'm going to say now.
So won't I protest seeing you take all the blame on yourself, Triptosa?
No, you won't. You'll go straight home from here, Nayan. Nayan, I've promised them that you will go home today. And I hope you don't want me to fail in keeping my promise.
I'll also fail to keep my promise. What about that?
What do you mean by you'll fail to keep your promise?
I have promised, Mother, that I won't let any harm befall you. If you are arrested today, I will prove to be a liar in front of Mother. A liar, Triptosa. You can fool anyone with your lies, sir, but I know that you cannot kill anyone. You just cannot do that, Triptosa. Why are you sacrificing yourself for a trivial person like me? Tell me why you are doing this, sir. Why, sir? Why? Didn't the policeman tell you to call a lawyer? Tell me.
Nayan. Nayan, look at me, Nayan. And calm down, please. Nayan, had I brought the lawyer, you would have been bailed out at most. You wouldn't have been acquitted of the allegation. They would have called you to the court again and again. There was no other way to prove you innocent. You would have been proven guilty based on evidences. Hence, it's better. Now you are free. And I will be locked up. Nayan, now my test begins. and your test ends.
কেন মোর গানের ভেলায় এলে না প্রভাত বেলায়, হলে না সুখের সাথী জীবনের প্রথম দোলা।
Brother! Brother, wait! Wait, brother! What happened, brother? Are you feeling sick? Brother, let's go. Let's go to your room. Don't mind what mother said. Mother said all that in a fit of rage.
I'm all right. I'm all right, Pratima. You go to mom. She has become very upset. Go to her. She shouldn't fall sick, right? I'm okay. I'm all right. Go.
Brother, careful, brother.
Kalpana. Mom is right, isn't she? She didn't say anything wrong, right, Kalpana? I've really done injustice to Nayan again and again and again. I've made her housemaid even if she's the daughter-in-law of the family to save my son, Kalpana. Trinani will live in my house as a dependent. I forced Nayan to let her husband marry again. Yes, Kalpana.
If Triptosa marries again, why would I object to it? I have no right to do so. I am no one to him.
I agreed to get him married to Jasmine, ignoring her objections. Today, Nan is in the lockup, and I am responsible for that. I am the one. Today, because of me, Nan has been accused of murder. The sin I have committed is unpardonable, Kalpana. It's unpardonable. My Lord, never forgive me for my sin. It's a sin. It's a grave sin. May Lord punish me for this sin. Kalpana, I really don't want to face Nayan anymore. I don't deserve to be called father by her. I'm not eligible for that. I don't want to live anymore. Kalpana, take me to you.